I'm Ben MacAskill. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at SmugMug, where I've worked for more than 16 years, helping photographers share their work with the world and sometimes realizing their dream of owning their own photography business. One of the scariest things for a new photography business owner is trying to figure out how do they get their name out there? How do people find them? How can they market themselves? More than likely, they don't have experience in marketing. They're a photographer. I would highly recommend leaning on the tools that exist already as much as possible. Use platforms, selfishly, like smugmug.com. Use also things like, don't invent your own mail system. Use something like MailChimp or many of the other great platforms. Use JotForm to help simplify other efforts. Use as many tools that people who know this are building as possible. And then of course, the classic word of mouth. Tell all of your friends, tell all of your family, tell everybody who will listen until they're sick of hearing it. I know it can be embarrassing, but promote yourself.